And the flashlight is nice and bright, as you can see right there. It throws the light out quite a distance. This is the Acmount 3000 peak amp car jump starter. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a nice case for everything, complete with a go handle. In the box you get the user manual, charging cable for it, USB to USB-C. You must supply your own charger for it. That can be anything that you like. Typically you use a cell phone charger type thing like this. We all have these laying around these days. You get, of course, the battery cables. Nice strong spring on that, so they'll clamp on real nice. This plugs into the jump starter itself, which is right over here. Press the button on there, hold it for a couple seconds, and you get a state of charge indicator on there. There's a compass on it for what that's worth. Over here is where the jump starter cables plug in. You will notice that this is keyed. Squared off one and a round one, so it can only fit one way. It can't fit the other way, so you can't make a mistake with that. There's also a flashlight built in right over here. We'll demonstrate that in a bit. And on this side over here opens up USB-C port to charge it, 2.1 amp charger, and a fast charge port, USB, so you can plug your phone, tablet, or any other USB device in. For the flashlight, turn the unit on, and then press and hold the button, and the light turns on. You can press it again, and you get SOS mode. Press again, and you get strobe mode. And the flashlight is nice and bright, as you can see right there. It throws the light out quite a distance, so that's really nice on one of those dark, rainy nights. We can press the button for SOS mode. As I had showed you before, it'll be plenty visible from far away. Or press for strobe. Let me tell you a little bit more about the jump starter, and then of course we'll go and test it out. This is a 3000 peak amp jump starter. Batteries are 23,800 milliamp hours. It can do up to 80 starts per charge. It'll start up to a 10-liter gas and an 8-liter diesel engine. There are also a number of protection circuits built in for over temperature, over voltage, over current, and especially reverse polarity. So if you're in a rush and the battery dies and it's raining or snowing and you inadvertently hook the cables up backwards, not to worry. It has a protection circuit built in, so nothing bad is going to happen. Don't do that, but it's there in the event the mistake is made. With that being said, let's go ahead and take this out to the car and give it a shot. I'll show you how easy it is to use. So in the event you have a problem, here's the positive on here. Usually it's marked red. If not, then you'll see something else. Move that out of the way. We'll go ahead and hook that cable up there. The black goes to the negative side right there. Then we're going to open up the panel where you plug it in. Remember, it only can go one way, so we'll plug it in right there. You should get a green light. If you don't, there's a button on here. That's the boost button. Press that for a couple of seconds and you should get a green light, and now you can go and start the car. And there you go, your day is saved. Now just disconnect the cables. You have a little cover on your battery. Put that back on there. Unplug this, just wiggle it out like that. Close up the little thing there. Close the hood, and you're on your way. So once again, this was the Acmount 3000 peak amp car jump starter. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.